अजमत तेरी हर शय में है, हर फाल में तेरी रजा है। मालिके कोनो मकान है, मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। गरे ग पदा सा गा पा गा, गरे सा नि पा दा सा रे सा, सा दा प सा दा प गा पा गरे सा।
रहमत तेरी है बेकरार, बंदों पे तू है मेहरबान। रहमत तेरी है बेकरार, बंदों पे तू है मेहरबान, बंदों पे तू है मेहरबान।
अर्शे वरी नूला मकान कुछ भी नहीं तुझसे जुदा है। मालिके कोनो मकान है, मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। मोहताज है अर्ज़ो समा, मोहताज सारी कायनात। मोहताज है अर्ज़ो समा, मोहताज सारी कायनात, मोहताज सारी कायनात।
कल आज तेरे दम से है, दिन रात तेरी अता है। मालिके कोनो मकान है, मालिके रोज़े जज़ा।
धड़कन हो बस तेरे लिए, हर सांस में तू ही बसा। धड़कन हो बस तेरे लिए, हर सांस में तू ही बसा, हर सांस में तू ही बसा। तेरे लिए ही जो झुका किरदार का गाजी बना है। मालिके कोनो मकान है, मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। गरे ग पदा सा दा पा गा, गरे सा नि पा दा सा रे सा, सा दा प सा दा प गा पा गरे सा।
नेमत तेरी ठुकराए कौन, कितने करम है आपके। नेमत तेरी ठुकराए कौन, कितने करम है आपके, कितने करम है आपके।
सब पे हो तुम ही मेहरबान, सुनता है तू सबकी सदा है। मालिके कोनो मकान है, मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। हर सांस में तेरी महक है, नजर में तेरी झलक। हर सांस में तेरी महक है, नजर
मौजों में तू, साहिल में तू, ऊंचाइयों में है बसा।
है मालिके कोनों मकान, है मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। गरे ग प ध सा ध प ग, गरे स नि प ध स रे सा, सा ध ध प सा ध ध प ग प ग रे गरे सा।
तारीफ हो हर लफ्ज में और जिक्र हो हर बात में। तारीफ हो हर लफ्ज में और जिक्र हो हर बात में, और जिक्र हो हर बात में।
तेरे लिए हर नज़्म हो, तेरे लिए हम दो सना।
है मालिके कोनों मकान, है मालिके रोज़े जज़ा।
रहमत है तेरी बेकरार, अज़मत तेरी शायान शान। रहमत है तेरी बेकरार, अज़मत तेरी शायान शान। अज़मत तेरी शायान शान। एक कतरा भी जिसको मिले उसको मिले बेइंतहा।
है मालिके कोनों मकान, है मालिके रोज़े जज़ा।
ना खौफ ना गम ना फिक्र उसको जिसे तेरी पना। ना खौफ ना गम ना फिक्र उसको जिसे तेरी पना। उसको जिसे तेरी पना। उसको मिटा सकता है कौन जिसका हो अल्लाह रहनुमा।
है मालिके कोनों मकान, है मालिके रोज़े जज़ा। गरे ग प ध सा ध प ग, गरे स नि प ध स रे सा, सा ध ध प सा ध ध प ग प ग रे गरे सा।
तारों की टिमटिमाहटे, लहरों की मुस्कुराहटे। तारों की टिमटिमाहटे, लहरों की मुस्कुराहटे। लहरों की मुस्कुराहटे।
रंगीनिया फूलों की क्या अल्लाह ही सब में है बसा।
है मालिके कोनों मकान, है मालिके रोज़े जज़ा।
खेतों में फसल का यमल, पेड़ों पे फल है जो युगे। खेतों में फसल का यमल, पेड़ों पे फल है जो युगे, पेड़ों पे फल है जो युगे।
देखी जिधर पाई तुझे, कुछ भी नहीं तुझसे जुदा।
तेरे जलवे तेरे, तेरा हुनर तेरी अदा। इंसान मुश्ते खाक है, मजबूत तेरी जात है। इंसान मुश्ते खाक है, मजबूत तेरी जात है। मजबूत तेरी जात है।
हमको दिखा राहे हुदा, ऐ मालिके रोज़े जज़ा।
हरकत आपसे मोहताज सूरज आपका। धड़के ये दिल तेरे लिए, तड़पे ये रूह तेरे लिए। धड़के ये दिल तेरे लिए, धड़के ये दिल तेरे लिए।
अपनी कोई हस्ती नहीं है, आरज़ू अपना
sa da pa ga ga re sa ni pa da sa re sa sa da pa ga pa ga re sa।
जो आपके आगे झुका पाई उसी ने
दे मुकर्रर रास्ता मेरे लिए जो हो सही, मेरे लिए जो हो सही।
सब छोड़ कर आया हूँ मैं अपने ही दामन में छुपा।
अल्लाह हरदम मेहरबान,
अल्लाह हरदम मेहरबान।
जीना हो बस तेरे लिए, हो जाऊं मैं तुझ पे फिदा। अज़मत तेरी हर शय में है, हर पाल में तेरी रज़ा।
अज़मत तेरी हर शय में है, हर फाल में तेरी रज़ा।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah loves that whenever any one of you do something, you should perfect it. This means perfecting your work. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. At the outset, I express my gratitude to the organizers of this conference, jointly organized by Academy of Hospital Administration, New Delhi, and the Department of Hospital Administration, SICKIMS, at the historical Sher-e Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences Auditorium. I will start my speech with three beautiful quotes. First, where the art of medicine is loved, there is also love for humanity. Hippocrates. 2. Medicine is not only a science, it is also an art. It does not consist of compounding pills and plasters. It deals with the very processes of life which must be understood before they may be guided. Paracelsus. 3rd, health is due to social conditions. The improvement of medicine will eventually prolong human life, but the improvement of social conditions can achieve this result more rapidly and more successfully. Virchow. Ladies and gentlemen, the changes in our world are having a direct impact on the medical industry. The 21st century has the most advanced medical technology compared to any previous century, but it also has unique problems that make it necessary for healthcare to adapt. Our world is facing many serious healthcare challenges. The answer to the world's great healthcare challenges is universal health coverage through primary care. Without major structural and transformational change, healthcare systems will struggle to remain sustainable. Health systems also need a larger workforce. But although the global economy could create 40 million new health sector jobs by 2030, there is still a projected shortfall of 10 million physicians, nurses, and midwives globally over the same period. According to Niti Aayog, it is an unfortunate reality for many poor households in India that the cost of treating their children has to be borne by them. In the absence of access to free treatment, many end up paying out of their own pockets to meet healthcare expenses. Desperation leads to rash and hasty measures, such as borrowing money or selling property and assets, plunging such people deeper into financial hardship. High out-of-pocket expenditure on health is impoverishing some 55 million Indians annually, with over 17% households incurring catastrophic levels of health expenditure every year. A WHO report from March 2022 estimated. Throughout history, disease has been a subject of fear and fascination in equal measure. However, each revolutionary medical discovery has brought us a crucial step closer to understanding the complex mysteries of disease and medicine. As a result, we have been able to develop medical breakthroughs, treatments that have been instrumental in saving millions of lives. Vaccines are one of the greatest medical advances in the history of medicine. Today, we are confronted with an unprecedented crisis this world has never experienced before. Infectious diseases remain among the leading causes of death and disability worldwide. Epidemics of new and old infectious diseases periodically emerge, greatly magnifying the global burden of infections. Humans are constantly exposed to a huge diversity of viruses. A coordinated global surveillance network is essential if we are to ensure rapid detection of novel viruses. Improving the situation will require both political will and the considerable investment in infrastructure, human capacity, and new tools. Infectious diseases can be prevented at a variety of points depending on the infectious cycle for the particular disease. Disease prevention, health promotion, strengthening public health systems, focus on drug discovery, tailored therapies by personalized precision medicine, developing new vaccines are crucial to prevent and control emerging pandemics. In a world of 8 billion people, countries have to be in a state of emergency preparedness to tackle emerging infectious diseases. There is a need to stop pandemics before they start. While disease will never be completely eliminated, through science, data, and technology, we'll be able to identify it earlier, intervene proactively, and better understand its progression to help consumers more effectively and actively sustain their well-being. The future will be focused on wellness and managed by companies that assume new rules to drive value in the transformed health ecosystem. According to an editorial in New England Journal of Medicine, the next decade will see major shifts in the design of health systems and healthcare, propelled by digital health, growing consumerism, mounting financial constraints. Transformation requires strong drivers. The digital age holds out the promise of innovative technology. Internet and smartphones penetration is growing and the technology infrastructure is moving to cloud-based services. Mobile communication devices such as cell phones, tablet computers, and PDAs support healthcare and public health practice and education. 90% of the patients use online Reviews to evaluate doctors. 5% of all Google searches are related to healthcare. 88% of the healthcare appointments are scheduled via phone. 66% of internet users search online for information about a specific medical problem or disease. Personalized medicine will increasingly improve our ability to predict and prevent acute complications of chronic disease, thus preventing many hospitalizations. Consumerism is growing. As people become more knowledgeable and active in their care, the health industry will need to become more person-centered, personalized, and more transparent. Future health systems need to be learning systems. 21st century healthcare should aim to improve the quality, safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of healthcare for all its citizens. Medical breakthroughs have revolutionized healthcare. Targeted cancer therapies like circulating tumor DNA, immunotherapy, stem cell-based therapies, and nanocarrier-based therapies have been developed. Cybercafe, bionic prosthetics, nanomedicine, 3D printed body parts, laparoscopic surgery are a reality. New class of antibiotics like oxypenoprolinamides is being developed to combat multi-drug resistant bacterial pathogens that are currently being used. Gene sequencing has already helped researchers identify single genes that cause disease, enabling them to create treatments. The hope is that the human genome draft sequencing will allow scientists and researchers to develop treatments or even cures for most of the diseases. The exciting technology of DNA and RNA-based vaccines has taken vaccine development to a new level. Vaccine for carcinoma cervix is a reality. Nipah and Hendra virus are the next target for structure-based vaccine design. Collaboration between hospitals, healthcare professionals, and research institutions is key for driving innovation and implementing evidence-based practice to provide better care, improve patient satisfaction, and advance medical knowledge. Hospitals play a key role in driving research and innovation. Healthcare cybersecurity is a strategic need for all healthcare organizations. Hospitals are particularly vulnerable and targeted by cyber attacks because they possess so much information of high monetary and intelligence value to cyber thieves and nation-state actors. In fact, stolen health records may sell out to 10 times or more than stolen credit card numbers on the dark web. Unfortunately, the bad news does not stop there for healthcare organizations. The cost to remediate a breach in healthcare is almost 3 times that of other industries, averaging $408 per stolen healthcare record versus $148 per stolen non-health record. Cybersecurity with best practices include Internet of Things and smart devices to transform patient care, automated diagnosis using artificial intelligence, blockchain to improve the security of both data. Global health transitions. Demographic transitions significantly affect health systems. World development is at a crucial turning point. Globalization has become ever more impactful. The emergence of artificial intelligence in healthcare has been groundbreaking, reshaping the way we diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. This technology is drastically improving healthcare research and outcomes by producing more accurate diagnosis and enabling more personalized treatments. Artificial intelligence promises to be a game changer. leading the way towards a future where patients receive quality care and treatment faster and more accurately than ever before. While passion is definitely important, people also require the right kind of knowledge, expertise, tools, and skills in order to work effectively in the development, leadership, and management space. While the hard skills that one needs may vary from role to role, it is essential for everyone in the space to have the requisite soft skills. Some of the soft skills that are necessary for development, management, and leadership professionals include teamwork, communication, critical thinking, networking with stakeholders and partners, digital first workplace, and humanizing change. Healthcare marketing should focus on customer relationship management, emphasis on quality and customer satisfaction. John F. Kennedy once said, "Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past and present are certain to miss the future." There is considerable pressure from societies for providers to become more accountable, relevant, and responsive, while providing greater and more equitable access to healthcare and well-being. The response of this pressure varies. Working in the social sector can, and often does, mean working on very sensitive issues. Qualified and trained healthcare leadership is crucial to ensuring that hospitals are able to keep up the changing needs for the industry. As more individuals become qualified to lead in the healthcare field, more minds will be at work to help tackle challenges and problems. Ladies and gentlemen, famous mystic poet Rumi says, "Through love, all pain will turn to medicine." Healthcare is one of the major success stories of our times. Medical science has improved rapidly, raising life expectancy around the world. But as longevity increases, healthcare systems face growing demand for their services, rising costs, and a workforce that is struggling to meet the needs of the patients. Maintaining that level of creativity and motivation is now the prime leadership challenge. A new social contract between leaders and followers will require that both are taken seriously as producers of public good. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to do our job to public satisfaction and win their trust in us for our happiness in service. That should be our goal. Healthcare excellence can be achieved through administrative and academic leadership. I quote former US President Barack Obama, "Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we seek." And personally, I believe it needs acts of imagination, strong professionalism, and motivation. जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बहुत जरखेज है साखे. God bless you. God bless Sikemas.
Chapra प्रथमलोलस ये क्या प्रथम दिलोत्वरिस तिच्या हसहा जिंदगी बारहा छकलत करी वदनों थसहा जिंदगी बुट सुविथ क्या क्या बुट सुविथ क्या क्या सियति करनो थसहा जिंदगी बारहा छक लत करी वद नोव थसहा जिंदगी शबनम पठरूद ताबिश आयतन तस दिल बरस शबनम पठरूद ताबिश आयतन तस दिल बरस ओ स्वातुन कतन शहलो थसहा जिंदगी ओ स्वातुन कतन शहलो थसहा जिंदगी बारहा छकलत करी वदनो थसहा जिंदगी वुट सुविथ क्या क्या वुट सुविथ क्या क्या सेहती करनो थसहा जिंदगी बारहा छक लत करीत वद नूव थसहा जिंदगी 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 सोरी सफर गोकाद जिस्म अक्के उम्र हुंद सोरी सफर गोकाद जिस्म छिन मतेरने मिट जाम वलित मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो छिन मतेरने मिट जाम वलित मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो सफर गौगाद जिस्मंज छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अरमान दफन वित सफर तैम करुन प्यो तैम करुन प्यो छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अके उम्र हुंद सोरी सफर गौगाद जिस्मंज छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वलित मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो जानान सुन अकना लिखित हो शहन कठ कम खूबसूरत याद है आखिर में मरुन प्यो आखिर में मरुन प्यो छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अके उम्र हुंद सोरी सफर गौगाद जिस्मंज छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वलित मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अचास बनान मरमुन अफसान परुन प्यो अफसान परुन प्यो छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अके उम्र हुंद सोरी सफर गौगाद जिस्मंज छिनिम तेरने मत जाम वलित मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अके उम्रिहुं सोरी सफर गोकद जिस्मन छिनमतीर न्यामती जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो छिनमतीर न्यामती जाम वली मुक्त जरुन प्यो मुक्त जरुन प्यो अके उम्रिहुं सोरी सफर